Welcome back. Similarly, how we did insert for the row, we can also do insert for column. So you just click on the column where you wanted to insert the column. So if I wanted to insert a new column in front of C, I have to click here, that is before the D, and click on insert. It will add new column in front of the product. Let me use product type for this new column and also say this is used for miss, which is miscellaneous, and I will also copy for the entire blank cells. And for some of the cells, I will name the product type as computers and copy the blank cells. So when I filter, it will be easy for me to select the product and product type so that I can choose for computers or miscellaneous. The shortcut key which we can use is Ctrl Y to create multiple columns, Ctrl Z to undo, so the shortcut will be Ctrl Z to undo and Ctrl Y to insert new columns or rows. Just by pressing Ctrl Y, you can insert multiple rows or columns. To use Ctrl plus Y, you need to place your cursor in front of the column and click on insert, then click Ctrl Y on your keyboard.